Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here, we have a NASCAR Index from the 2023 Wave 6. We have Noah Gragson's Wendy's The Beef Next Gen car. On the back, you can get other cars and a truck, like Ross Chastain's Hail Melon car, Daniel Suarez's 2023 Tootsie's car, and the three 75th anniversary cars from three different manufacturers. Let's get Noah Gragson out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which has the number 42, the red, black, and blue, the Wendy's with the Wendy's, also with the famous Wendy's girl with her racing goggles on, and of course the Dave's double. That sounds good. So here's the car. So obviously Noah Gragson has been sponsored by Wendy's, and as you know, in 2023 he got suspended for the rest of the season, and he will come back next season in the number 10 car. So obviously on the back he has the rookie stripes on it to signify he was a rookie, but like I said, he did get suspended for something which I know, but I don't want to talk about it. So yeah, but he will make his return to the number 10. So on the back it says Wendy has the beef, also Team Wendy's up top. On the side you got the 42 with which is in the black area, which has the black. But right here where the Wendy's girl is, you can still see her along with those racing goggles. There is a checkered flag pattern that goes down right here all the way to where the blue is. Where the blue is, where it says Wendy's and, well, fresh beef. I don't know what the words say because it's so small. Camaro, Wendy's. And on top you got the same number font of the 42, including on the sides right here. And on the front, you got the beef, which has the Dave's double, which personally I prefer the Baconator, but it's still a pretty good car. And also, as you can see, there was a Baconator version of his car at Chicago, but boy, he was bad in that one. And, well, there was also the one in Talladega. He was doing pretty well until he got wrecked out, I think. But I'll give you a nice view of the car. And I think that will conclude today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.